Hi guys, thanks for joining today as we listen for middle sounds in words. We have our sound train up on the board with first, second, and last. The second car is the middle car. First, middle, and end. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at what cards we have up on the board. We have vet, hat, apple, and wig. Your job is to find the word that has the eh sound in the middle of it. Eh. So I'm going to give you just a minute to look at the cards and see if you can figure it out on your own. Okay, let's check them and see which one has eh in the middle. Vet. V, eh. Oh, I think we got it on the first try. Let's just check the others. Hat, at. No eh. What about apple? Apple. Nope, that doesn't have the eh sound either. What about wig? Wig. Nope. So the word with eh in the middle of it is vet. V, et. All right, so we will now put pot up on the board. Pot, hat, apple, wig. Let's do the word that has I in the middle of it, and I'm going to give you a chance to try and figure it out on your own. Okay, let's check the cards together for the I sound. What about pot? P-ot. Nope. What about hat? Does that one have I? At. Nope. What about apple? Does it have the I sound in the middle? Apple. Nope. So, must be wig, but let's check and see. Wig. That was the one that had the I sound in the middle. So now we will add hose up to the board. Pot, hat, apple, hose. Okay, let's see which word has the O sound in the middle of it. I'm going to give you a second to try and figure it out on your own. The O sound. Okay, here we go. Let's try pot. P-ot. I didn't hear O. How about hat? At. I didn't hear O. What about apple? Apple. I did not hear O, so it must be hose. Let's check it out. O. That's the word that has O in the middle of it. So we'll take hose down and change it out for leash. Okay, let's do the sound in the middle of the word. So you see if you can figure out which word has p in the middle. Okay, let's check. Let's see if pot has p in the middle. Pot. Ooh, I heard the p sound, but I don't think it was in the middle. So let's check one more time. P. Oh, it starts with it. Pot starts with p. P. Ah. Ah is in the middle, so it can't be pot. Let's try hat. At. Nope, I didn't hear p. Let's try apple. Apple. I think so. Let's just check leash out just to be sure. L-E-sh. No way. It must be apple. Let's do apple one more time. A-p-ol. That's the word that had p in the middle. And so our last word we're adding up to the board today is kiss. Okay, let's listen for the ah sound in the middle. You try and figure it out first. Okay, let's do it together. Here we go. Let's check pot out for the ah sound. P-a-t. Nope. Let's try hat. At. Did you hear it? At. Oh, I think it's hat. Let's try kiss. K-is. No, it didn't have the ah sound. Let's try leash. L-e-sh. Nope. So hat must have the ah sound in the middle, but we'll check one more time. Say the sounds with me. At. That is the word that has ah in the middle. Okay, see you next time.